Catch me howling at the moon.
Sinto evitar.
Welcome to the channel. My name is Hamshirg, and standard time in Abu Dhabi, it's already 10 p.m. A big shout out everyone. Welcome 2022. And how's everything? How's life? And this new year, I'm pretty sure that everyone is being blessed on this year. A big shout out everyone. Today's episode is all about giving up, saying goodbye, and moving on. It's really hard for me to say goodbye to the old setup, all the mini studio here inside in my room. And fast forward 2 years back, I really enjoy being creator, and I really enjoy. I've learned a lot into a YouTube industry, and the reason behind that I'm giving up or saying goodbye to the old setup, it's because I want to upgrade. I want to have the new studio in this 2022 new year. I love to have the more lightings, upgrade the camera gears that I have. I want to upgrade my editing gears from laptop to PC, because I feel that it's more faster and more efficient to use the PC compared to other editing gears like laptop or cell phone. Actually, I started my editing and mobile cell phone, so moving into laptop and into PC. So as you could remember, my first desk setup inside here in my room, I have my one desk, I have my laptop, and also I have my microphone. So that is the first YouTube setup, desk setup, since I started my YouTube career. And I was being fascinated on how making the before and after, doing the before and after, and doing the I really enjoy like doing these things. I'd never expect in the whole year being a creator. I really enjoy doing the B-roll video, before and after, and unboxing, behind the scene, creating the setup or editing. So that's all. This is all a part of my journey in the past years. So I really love to moving on into 2022. It's more like more content, more B-roll, more videos, more filmmaking. So soon I'll be uploading the new desk setup 2022 here in my channel. So better check out, and I'll be uploading soon. And special thanks to Peter Lindgren. He's the man, he's the artist, he's the badass when it comes to B-roll, filmmaking, vlogging. So he's one of my he's one of my inspiration when it comes to doing these things in the YouTube. And the big shout out to you, sir. If you could, if you want to watch Peter Lindgren, just check his channel over here on the top. And what else? It's a good start this 2022 to have the new studio. I want my studio to be more like professional look, so compared to other other channel, other studio. So I guess soon I'll be uploading the new desk setup. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And saying goodbye to my old setup. So far, this is the best setup that I have. This is my favorite studio. This is my favorite desk setup so far. I could say this is the number one. And hopefully soon I can have the new one. And that's all for this episode today. And trust your instinct, and Hampshire from Philippines.